At 25 yards, shoot 5 rounds standing and 5 rounds kneeling. At 15 yards, shoot 5 rounds standing and 5 rounds kneeling. At 5 yards, shoot 6 rounds in sets of 2.
We're going on 4
At 15 yards, load 4 rounds.
Yeah.
Under direction, chamber a round and add the 5th round to the magazine.
Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, make it hot.
On command, fire 5 rounds and immediately combat load 5 rounds.
Recording on that thing.
Target's coming up. You have time.
Fire 5 rounds from the standing position.